All right, let's take a start. This is speaking part 1. How often do you take rest?
Well, I got some whenever I got some free time.
Whenever I get. How often do you? Do means present. So whenever I get some free time.
Whenever I get some free time, I use different type of activities to take rest. First of all, I listen music.
I listen to music.
First of all, I listen to music.
Listen, now the topic or your answer has gone in different way. How often do you take rest means how many times during the day you take rest. So you can say, I mostly take rest in the afternoon because I wake up early in the morning and I've got so many things to do. So after lunch, I find 2 to 3 hours free. So therefore, I often take rest in the afternoon. So to answer your question, I usually take rest after the midday. After the midday means after afternoon. Okay? Just like this. Now, don't talk about the activities you do while resting. That is a different question. Okay, let's go on. What do you usually do when you are resting? Now come to that.
Well, I do different type of activities whenever I got some free time.
Whenever I get some free time.
Whenever I get some free time, first of all, I listen music. Second,
I listen to music.
First of all, I listen to music.
Secondly,
I I go to outside with my friends.
I go outside with my friends
To have some gossips and enjoy the nature.
Okay, now I got two issues. One issue is fluency. And second, you're not adding detail. I say, first of all, I listen to music because music is very much therapeutic as far as I am concerned. Secondly, in order to relax myself or in order to rest, I usually prefer to go outside with my friends, and that is more like a rest for me. So just try to add some more ideas and focus your fluency. Do you think a nap is a good way to rest?
Yes, I think nap is a good way to rest because it boosts your mind. It boosts your mind and someone feel relaxed after taking good nap.
Okay, so to answer your question, nap is the best way to relax. You always feel fresh. That is why people call it power nap, and some people call it beauty nap as well. Afternoon nap and all that, okay? All right, next let's go on. How do you feel after taking a nap? Now, 2-3 घंटे सो के उठे, so how do you feel? I feel thirsty or hungry. Yeah. So, how do you feel after taking a nap?
I feel very relaxed and my mind is
fresh or relaxed. नजर आवाज से भी नजर आना चाहिए ना. How do you feel? I feel very relaxed and active. I feel quite energetic. बात समझ रहे हैं ना? इसको कहते हैं intonation. I feel quite energetic after a nap because after the nap I feel very much mindful and I'm active and energetic, something like that. So, how do you feel after taking a nap?
I feel very energetic and and my mind is very fresh and I am full of energy.
Okay, now don't use and again. Don't attach every sentence with and. You say, moreover, my mind is quite active after a nap. Additionally, furthermore, these words should be practiced. So speak actively, energetically, connect your ideas together, link your ideas and avoid and only practice. It is said repetition is the mother of learning. Repetition means if you repeatedly do the thing, motor mechanic. Now, motor mechanic is repeating the same thing. The guy who fixes the tires, puncture shop. In puncture shop, he's doing the same thing every day. So, after doing same thing every day, one becomes expert. Ladies are cooking. They are expert at cooking. They cook almost the same things every day and then they become good cooks, right? So, for speaking also, repeatedly talk about these things and then you'll be fine, right? Thank you.